Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reciting the poem Morning by Jane Taylor. The lark is up to meet the sun. The bee is on the wing. The ant her labor has begun. The woods with music rings. Shall birds and bees and ants be wise, while I my moments waste? Oh, let me with the morning rise and do my duties haste. Why should I sleep till beams of morn their light and glory shed? Immortal beings were not born to waste their time in bed. If you like this poem, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.